Welcome to your Mercury Community, where fellow users, business leaders, and Mercury experts come together to connect, share, support, and grow. Looking for advice or best practices? Connect with peers and experts who understand your challenges, the people who just get it. You're not alone. If you're stuck on something or just want to bounce an idea around, this is the space to ask questions, exchange ideas, and find new ways to work smarter. Be the first to know about product updates, new features, and best practices. Learn from other people using Mercury every day, just like you. Whether you need quick solutions, expert advice, or networking opportunities, your Mercury Community puts everything at your fingertips. Join the Mercury Community today and unlock a smarter, more connected way to work.